Starting another long form video here. Okay, I'm standing on Jimmy's property, right? This is my neighbor's Jimmy's property. If you see all those this tall line of trees in the background, that's my property line over there. Okay, these trees in the front here are mine. They come out to this point, which I also own. This easement on this part is technically Jimmy's, but down there it's mine. That's where I'm setting my sawmill. But as you can see, in order to get there, I need to clear a path and remove some trees and some old logs and high grass, get this mowed down. So today, for the first time since being in Missouri, I'm going to actually use tick repellent because there's a lot of ticks on our property. As you can see, my beehives, which aren't doing too good. I haven't paid a lot of attention to them, and I think I got problems. I might lose my hives. On another note, but so yeah, today I am focusing on getting this path cleared down to my sawmill site so I can set my timbers, level it out, so I can get to work on my property. So far, our entire focus has been just being able to live efficiently on the property that Jimmy's allowing us to use with our stuff, which is sprawled everywhere. But I would need to get down there and get to work. And that's what I'm working on today. So, see you guys soon. So you can see way back there above Nancy's head is where we started. So we brush cut all through here. And we're working our way back there. Now, I don't know if you guys can see this, but the guy lines for this pole right here come this way. So now I have to go towards the other side over there and because that's actually where my sawmill is going to sit, is right there. But I have to go around the pole that way. And I wanted to show you guys this one. See this giant tree right here? This sits right between the power lines. The power company left it there, and that's going to cause problems later. They also left us a nice telephone pole on our easement, which was really kind of them, I guess. But yeah, so we've cleared all the way from back there. Now I got to take all these little saplings out and get rid of all this wood and logs and stuff. And then I'll be able to get my 6x6s back here and be able to set up my sawmill. So that's the plan.
Timber! Oh, timber! He cut a tree down on our property, guys. Oh, wait, that's not ours.
It's still Jimmy's property.
It's still Jimmy's. Way back there is ours. On the other side of that phone pole over there. Power line pole.
This is a white oak sapling. Ask me how I know.
How do you know?
Because the points of the leaves are rounded. And I was told the easiest way to remember white from red is that the Native Americans used arrow points, so they were pointed, and the white man came and used bullets that were rounded. So white is rounded, red is pointed.
And
so
those are rounded.
Is a red oak.
This one is a red oak. Pointy. Down tree. Timber! He's working so hard at cutting down these trees. He's doing such a great job.
I'm just taking these down because there may be problems later. All right, guys, last one for the day. I'm hot. It's hot. I'm whipped. But you can see way back there is the honeybee hives. Now, this pole sits on the corner of my property, and you can see the difference in the tree height. That's my property line. Back here, that's my easement. That building way down there is the other side of my property line. So right in here is where my sawmill is going to go. And like I said, I got a lot done today, and I think I'm going to pack it up for today. So thanks for watching, guys.